YouTube, what's going on? I know it's been like a whole month or so since I haven't uploaded, but look, we back. We about to get started. I got a self cut for y'all. Today we're gonna do a low taper, or kind of like a mid to low taper. Well, low taper with a burst effect. But like any cut that you do, you wanna first, comb out the hair or brush the hair down. Make sure everything laid down and ready for y'all to set y'all guidelines in. Now for the side tapers, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna set in all our guidelines. For the side tapers, we're gonna set it in kind of like a, like a half a circle. This side I couldn't really get no angle on, so y'all gonna have to work with me. But y'all gonna see all of the right side taper. But once we set in all our guidelines, we go straight to the back, and then after we do the back guideline, we're gonna start the fading process. Now we're gonna start the fading process with your clippers all the way open. Whatever clippers you got, any self cut, you could cut with any clippers you want to cut with. The outcome still should be the same exact outcome as you used to use, like wall or something like that. Or you used to go get some Walmart clippers. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see that challenge or not. I know it's an old challenge, but I can make anything old new. Well, look, you want to set in your first guideline about an inch or a half an inch, whatever you decide. But for me, I did about an inch with the guard with the lever all the way open, and then now right here we closing the lever. We notched at that first line that we set in with our trimmers, and now we're fading. We're starting our fading process, our full lever click system. And now we're just gonna fade down until our clippers is all the way closed. That was which was our starting point. Now with our one guard with the lever all the way open, we're gonna create the second initial guideline. And y'all, I've been playing with my system a little bit. I'm starting to do all the levers open. I used to do all the levers closed when I'm setting in my guidelines, but now I do everything open. Sometimes the reason why I never did it open is because I feel like you can't really see your guidelines for real, or it's not making like a hard line so you can see. But it really lowers the fade down and make everything more so of a transition. It's just a nicer transition in my opinion. Now what we're doing right here, we just I guess just defining it right now with the one guard still. Now we got our half guard on now. That's a step down from the one guard, and we just notching at that line. And just like we did with no lever, with no guards, we're gonna take it and we're gonna open it up all the way. Then we're gonna close the 3/4 and knock that line out using the corner of our clippers. And then we're just gonna start our fading down process if necessary. Just touching up, detailing all the little areas that we need to detail to make the fade blurry or make the taper blurry. Now we're going to do our next guideline, which will be our 1.5 guard. And at this point for my hair, because I don't really like no long tape or anything like that, so when you get to your end point or the guard you feel most comfortable with, the last step or the last, I guess I want to say, how much hair, depending on how much hair you want back there in the back. So we took I stopped with my 1.5 guard, and all we're doing right there, we're just flicking out with the lever all the way open. Now we're stepping down with our one guard, and we got our lever closed all the way, and we just notching at that third guideline that we had set in. Now we're gonna open it all the way up, flick at that line, and then you want to close it 3/4 of the way. And then you want to start your fading down process if necessary. But closing it 3/4, so like halfway, the clippers halfway with the lever, that should knock out all that guideline, and it should make the fade blurry. But the reason why you want to flick out when you at the end of the fade, you could take this scenario and use it for fading into a lot of bulk in the back, like how we doing right now, or maybe straight hair. And you want to keep the top, you like a lot of the bulk that's on the sides and stuff like that, but you don't want to take it up too high. What people do is they stop with like me personally, I stop with the anywhere between the 1.5 guard or the 3 guard, and all you do from that point is just flick out, and then all the rest is just just clip over comb or shear work. But since the type of hair texture that I got, the curly hair texture, just the flick out method will work. Now the same stuff that we did on the back, we gonna do it on the side tapers. It's the same exact process. Lever all the way open, lever closed, fade that in, Then we're gonna move to our one guard. It's saying the same easy steps to achieve like the ultimate success, the ultimate goal, the ultimate blurries fade or whatever. And like I said, for this the left side, I can't really get no angles on the left side for real. But y'all, I kind of took like a little break from YouTube. A month. I used to do like every 4 months, every 3 months, and just upload like that. But look, I took like a little break for like a month and a half or so. I don't know how long I've been going, but I think my last video was a whole month. But you know, you just gotta take a step back and like find out what type of, you know, I wanted to figure out what type of content I wanted to make, and you know how to spice things up, keep it interesting and stuff. So I'm just trying to find me. I got a lot of videos just waiting for y'all, but a lot of fire content, a lot of fire videos, a haircuts just waiting on y'all and stuff like that. But you know, I just had to take a step back and just look at what everybody else doing. Like, how can I be different than the other barbers? What's gonna make me stand out? My work, even though I could have pretty good, my work alone won't make that happen for me. I gotta find other ways to like get my name out there. I gotta be some type of like, I gotta be unique. Find ways to be unique, just to sum everything up. And what I noticed is it's a lot of good barbers. It's a lot of talented barbers. Like, you can only, like, if you can only go so far when it comes to skill of being a barber. They have a lot of people that do unique things. I ain't gonna name nobody, but I do have favorite barbers myself. It's little to none. It's probably like 1 or 2 barbers that I could like really just be like, all right, I would want my career to be similar to his, or I want to be, you know, just as good as him or whatever like that. But there's only so much you can do when it comes to skill. You could be, they got a lot of the like best barbers in the world, or a lot of skilled barbers that can make their cuts look perfected and stuff like that. But it just boils down to like, what's different about your personality? What's different about your content? How are you going about things? Like, I see a lot of younger people, a lot of people, they don't even have to be younger people. A lot of people starting channels and stuff like that for cutting hair, and it's just, I feel like it's just oversaturated. I'm not sure, but where it's not oversaturated, it's just overpopulated with like the same content. And that's why I really just took a step back, cause like, even though my haircut's, well, I would say better than most of these barbers on YouTube, but like, what's gonna separate like them from me? And they doing the same stuff I'm doing, and they just starting their career off on YouTube and stuff like that. But like, it's like, I don't want to be doing the same thing as somebody else. It just never been me, you know. But right here, after we done finished the tapers and everything, it's time to set in our neckline up, and it came out crispy. Fire tape in the back, as y'all can see. And y'all, I just got my camera back. I had to pay $600 something just to get it. They sent me a new camera. Well, Panasonic, they told me that the camera was gonna be free to get it fixed and everything. I wound up sending my camera out there, and then they talking about to get it fixed is gonna be $1,400, and I paid $1,000 for my camera. I was like, why would I pay y'all $1,400 to get the whole camera fixed when the camera on sale right now for like $600 something? So they wound up sending me another like Gmail or email or something like that, and the camera, they wound up to do the repairs and everything, it's gonna be $600. So they said my camera didn't qualify for the 3-year warranty because I guess it like had like glass broken on the inside, which none of the glass was broken or anything like that. But I guess through like the packaging that when I shipped it off or something in the mail, it's just like, I guess they just mistreated my camera and stuff like that, because it wasn't like a little small package. But we wound up getting it fixed. That's why it's uploading like 4K or whatever you want to call it. It's just good quality. This camera brings out the best in the hair, because it shows everything. And y'all, when y'all make content, if y'all ever do make content, make sure y'all show everything. Make sure y'all show the whole head. You on Instagram, TikTok, or whatever content, whatever platform you want to be on, make sure you're giving like who are you targeting? Are you targeting clientele, or are you targeting other barbers? Do you want other barbers to come learn it on your page, or you know, just like your work and stuff like that? So when you do that, give other barbers, like experienced barbers, because a lot of people haven't developed their barber eye that's, just starting out, so they wouldn't be able to tell a good haircut from a bad haircut. Yeah, the lineup might be crazy enhanced and white pencil and everything, and it might be straight. But what the fade look like? Or the fade might look good on one side. What the other side look like? Or the back might be all messed up. Make sure y'all concentrate on every aspect of the haircut, not just one portion. Cause they got a lot of young dudes, that I didn't see in school, or a lot of young dudes that just starting their page on, and I'm noticing like they might have their lineup might be like super duper straight and crazy enhanced, but the enhancements, like I seen a post today, the enhancements don't blend in with the fade. It don't look as natural. It just don't look right. Like your lineup just crazy black, and then the fade is like, and then the dude like light skin with like it just don't look right, bro. So make sure y'all take that. That's another thing. You want to make the enhancements blend in with the fade, or find the enhancements for the right skin tone or whatever you're using. All that plays a big part in a good haircut with an experienced barber. Like I know, like the Chris Bashios, Get Bean, they got Barber Josh OP. All of them could like Sean Cassell, all of them could like tell from a far away, just like what a good haircut, what separates a good haircut and a bad haircut. So if you want to get on a certain type of level, all that stuff matters. If the right side is even to the left side, and all that stuff being making sure just everything even, all that matters. Don't just over enhance your haircut. And every time, like, see how I'm doing my lineup right now? My lineup is crispy. This is with no enhancements, no pencil, no nothing. Like if I was to wash my hair, like I still have a lineup right now that I'm doing this like a day later. I'm doing a voiceover a day later, but I'm about to bring it to y'all today. But look, if I was to wash my hair like the next day or 3 days from now, I would still have a crispy, sharp lineup, just because it's called setting in the foundation first. You want to set in a good foundation, and then after that, you want to apply the enhancements on them, so they can so it could just last longer. Now I'm using my enhancements right now. My bad, y'all. I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm sending my enhancements right now. I do use Kiss Express, but I'm thinking about changing. I might go back to the Tune 45. I don't know. Might go back to that no drip, but hey, I gotta just. I'm in the beginning stages of my career too. I'm only 2 years in, going on 3 for real. I gotta figure out everything, all my products, all the clippers. Like I just got some Babyliss FX3 today. I've been using walls my whole entire career for real, for the majority of it. But this is the finished product right here. Let me know what y'all think. But look, I'm starting to venture out, do different things, man. I'm still in my beginner career too. But as you can see, the haircut is fire. Taper laid down, buttery. Neck line up sharp. Front line up sharp. Everything looking right. Everything looking right. And y'all, I'm growing my hair. I'm gonna try to grow my hair out. Maybe to get some cornrows or something like that. I don't know. Some braids. Might get some dreads. Y'all think I look right with dreads? Y'all let me know in the comments. But this is the cut right here. Nice clean cut. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. We going a long way with this channel. I'm going a long way with my career. But like, comment, and subscribe on the video. If you could share, that'd be fire. And we out.